Hello friends, today we are going to demonstrate you the Raintech POS touch control software which is using for India. And in the beginning itself I will explain to you. This is SQL database and VB.NET project. This is offline billing software you can share with multiple PCs. And let me open the software for you in front of you. 1 2 3 4 the password is there by default password, and there is two options are there in this. There is a back office and there is a front office. There's two options are there in the software, and here we have added the WhatsApp features as well. There is a WhatsApp engine is connected, means API is already connected. There is a bulk WhatsApp that kind of facilities are there. Even your new launch product also you can send through WhatsApp. So first of all, let me show you the front office, the POS panel. Here we can go to front office, and see there is the menu items you can see. You can see over here in the like that. See, when I click on the bakery items will display in the right side. So whenever you select any product like that, I just clicking on the product, each product, just clicking. So it will appear in the this side, in the billing side. So you can just create pay button and you can create the bill. It's a very simple task. The 3-inch AutoCAD thermal printer, if you connected, it will come through 3-inch. So this all facilities is there in this software. Let me explain to you how these features are working one by one. So, if you want to sell for a particular customer, you can sell to a particular customer. There is no issues. You can add your new customers over here. See, you can click and add the new customer. For example, Madhav. Madhav, you can add it. His address you can mention here, and contact number if you have, you can mention over there, and GST number if you have, and credit limit, how much credit you, if you are giving credit for Mr. Madhav, so you can add, for example, 5,000 rupees here, like that credit, you can limit it. Just click on save button, successfully save. This is the way you can create the, customer. Whenever you are selling for the customer, when you are adding the product, when you are going to the pay button, there is, credit to customer option is there. You can select the Madhav, the one you recently added, and you can sell it for this particular customer. So let me explain one by one buttons. What are these buttons are there in this software? So let me show you here this transaction, new transaction. Whenever you are clicking some products like that for testing purpose or something, and you just click on new transaction, new F1. So it will be everything is vanished and you can create new billing actually. And the second items is the scan item. For example, your cursor is not here in the scan barcode scan position. You can just click on scan button if you are using touch screen. So automatically this button will, the cursor will go to the barcode, so that you can scan and sell this product. And there is another is delete row. Delete row means, for example, you added some number of products, and this particular item, if you want to remove from this bill, so you can click on that wherever you row and delete row. Click on, so that particular item will be deleted from that particular position. And another one is change quantity. This you can see over here, change quantity. What is the change quantity? For example, you added any product like that. So here it's by default one piece it will come over here. So you can change the quantity, click on that particular item, change, for example, 5 pieces, just click on OK. So it will be 5 pieces. So that's a change quantity button option is there. And the next one is change rate. For here you can see change rate. What is change rate? For example, you select any product and here the price is 1.58 rupees. So if you want to change the particular product price for selling, here you can go change rate. And you click on that, and for example, if I want to make it 5 rupees, so click on OK. So including GST, it will be 525, rate will be 5. So this kind of facility is there in this software. And again we will go discount. Item discount is there, bill discount is there. Item discount means particular item we need to give the discount. For example, if you select one item this one 1.58, if you want to make discount, there is the option, and there is a percentage and the amount discount is there. Click on amount, and here the price you can see 1 rupee 58 paisa. Yeah, 1.5 is the actual price. And after GST this is coming. We have made some GST behind this one. That's the reason. And here I make it 1.5. So we need to give some discount like 0.5, 50 paisa. 50 paisa we give the discount and click on OK. And so here it will, it's already reduced over here, see. So here it was 1.55 before. So now it is 50 paisa we reduced. Let me show you again. It was 1.58. You can see over here. So I am giving the discount of 50 paisa. So item discount is there. Item discount, yani amount, yani 0.5. Okay. So 1.05. This is this discount is before GST. So it will be better for you. You don't want to give discount on GST. Before GST, discount will calculate in this software. And the next item is that bill discount. Bill discount options also is there. For example, you added some number of products over here. The total amount is 11 rupees. You can see over here 11. And the bill discount you can mention over here. For example, you need to give 11. No, for example, you need to give 1 rupees discount. Okay, so it will become automatically 10 rupees. And in the bill printout also it will display. There is a total amount discount is there like that. So the next function we will see find item. For example, there is thousands of products is there. If you want to search, and you can search over here also. For example, like that also you can search. You can here I search here. Otherwise, find item in the here also you can search it. See, like that you can search it. And the next option is hold transaction and load transaction. For example, there is the customer is coming on queue, and you can like that you selected some product for some particular customer, and this particular customer said that okay, wait, I want to take another some more products, so that you can put this item into load transaction. You can watch this figure also 6 rupees. Click on hold transaction. Hold transaction means successfully hold, and you can do another billing. For example, this one pay, and next customer came, you make the billing for him, and the customer is coming back, the old customer. You can go here and load transaction. Here you can see the previous customer, again he is taking some more products, like that you can pay for the next customer. So after this make the payment, this load transaction will be empty. There is nothing will be there. So this is the technology. And for example, if you want to make the reprint of this last bill, you can click from one button here in the ATM thermal printer. You can directly reprint it. And there is a POS records also is there. How many invoices you have created, like that. Sale return option is there. Sale return, before sale return, I want to tell you, if you want to make any modification in the sold bill, you can edit the bill as well. For example, the POS record, this is the total amount you can see over here 9 rupees. For example, if you want to change the quantity over here, this is the previous bill actually, and I click on OK. So it's become 13. Okay, the last bill. So I click on pay button and remove this one. Remove and cash again and update. See, the old bill you can update like that. So if you take the transaction in the POS record, it will be 13. Before it was 9. See, it's become 13. The bill, the quantity, the price, everything you can do update in this billing software. And here is the product master is there. You can add new products very simple way. And in the product master, I will show you one beautiful technology, Apple mouse. If you are adding such product here in the product master itself, here you search on image, you will see the magic of this software. See, the product image is already displayed over here. Which mouse photo you like, you can click on that, it will save to your computer directly. This is directly taken from Google Images. This software have an ability to search from the Google image, and it will come to this software. And here let me complete this one. Here for example I will make it in the electronics items, brand any Apple, and tax. If you have tax, you can mention over here. This is numbers. Purchase cost for example 8,000 rupees, and the sale cost is 10,000 rupees example. Wholesale, if you have, you can add a stock also in the purchase here itself, in the product and itself. For example, I have 10 pieces. Just click on the save button. That's it. Here you can see the save button. Click on successfully saved, and we added in electronics category. We will go to electronics and see, Apple mouse is already here. See, I click on new transaction and I click on Apple mouse. You will see the price over here. See, I put tax 5%. That's the reason it came 10,500 rupees. You can click, simply press and take the printout. This is a technology in this billing software. And there is bill note option is of course is there, and customer ledger is there, customer receipt is there, customer if you have made payment. This I will make it as a separate video so that you will get more understanding about this software. Thank you.